Guys, we made it to Plantbamboo for their Okeetoberfest event. Heck yeah, let's go. I'm fired up. It's been 6-7 months since I've been here. Man, it is stacked up out here. Golly, dude, there's tons of rigs. It's fully packed. We're in the way back right now, and it's still packed. Hell yeah. We got the homie out here, Reed. I recognize Nick's old truck. Let's go check these guys out. You can't miss that gold chain. You can see it from a mile away. What's up, dude? Look at this guy up there. They said don't hit that thing, it's worth money. My boy's bogging over there, dude. He's in it. Woo. What's that?
How much you get me out?
We don't charge, dude.
You don't charge?
Nah.
Oh, well, let me put up the gate. You don't mind fooling me a little bit?
Right over here?
Yeah, I'm going to go that way a little bit.
The whole area is pretty soft, but
yeah,
we'll try and get you moving.
I went in here blindsided. I could have gave it a little bit more, but I didn't. But yeah,
we'll try.
Catch me out forward.
Yep. You got it in 4 low?
Yeah, this end?
All right, when I go, you go.
Yeah, thank you.
Hey, you ran over the rope, dude. God dang, son.
Can I get the rope?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you ran all the way over it. See if you can back up. I don't know if you'll be able to. Yep, good. Solid. You think you'll be able to make it through this? Oh, it's all good, dude.
You sure?
Yeah, I can keep pulling. Yeah.
I'm gonna go back.
You're gonna try and back up right here.
Yeah.
All right.
But I appreciate you, man.
Yeah. I'll disconnect and I'll just make sure you're good. And make sure you can get it.
All right. Yeah, because once I park right here next to our boys, that's where I'm gonna stay right there.
Cool. Well, yeah, I'll just hang tight and wait for you.
You sure you don't want it?
All good, dude.
Good?
Yep. Oh damn, it's a lot deeper than it looked. Holy shit.
I was coming fast, driving high, and then I just hit half of it.
Yeah, oh yeah. Damn, you really need to be pulled out from the front.
And what's crazy is I have nowhere to hook up to the front.
Yeah. Oh man.
Hey, yeah. Alex, I say me, him, and
Lean on it? Yeah, I'll winch it out. Yeah.
I mean, I could probably like hook up with my control arms from the front, but
we'll get it, dude. But I think let's try and winch it, and maybe if you can get your tires up on that, and if not,
that back right tire came off the bead.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we'll figure that out when we get it out. I'll help you.
Do you happen to know anyone with an air compressor?
I got one, dude. Yeah.
You have one?
Yep. Let's get it. Let's get it out real quick first. Turn the wheel that way. That way. Yeah. Gas a little bit.
Love the videos, man.
Hey, dude, thanks, bro. All right, you're park it. Lift it up straight. Yeah, I think so. We could put enough pressure on that cage just to pull it over, right? Or is it? You don't think it?
That's a stock cage. Should be fine.
Do you think it if we super slow on it would hold? I don't know, man. It should. Like,
Yeah, I've seen people do it before.
maybe go lower on it right here.
Or if you go
Over
around and go
up
around
and
the
over.
top of
That's
it,
yeah. This is metal, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
go up and around. Hey,
Oh, you got that. There you go.
look out, look at that. Look out.
You got a parking brake on that thing?
Hey, it's a neutral.
There's a parking brake. Parking brake. Yeah.
Or just in park, make sure it don't start rolling or nothing. Good. Let me know when we're good. I don't think it's in park.
There it goes. Oh. Alright, that's good.
Said lock them up. That's funny. We were just roaming around out here. The guy waved me down, see if I could help. We do this for free. We come out here to these off-road parks and we just lend a hand wherever we can. RVs, trucks, side-by-sides, four-wheelers. We out here pulling everybody out all day for free. It's a fun time for sure. Oh, they didn't make it far.
Watch all your videos.
Hey, dude, thanks, bro. Appreciate that. Oh, yeah. Well, we just winched up that truck or that side-by-side back onto the trailer, and I turned around and there's a side-by-side broke down right in the middle of the freaking road. Like 100 people trying to get around him, so I'm dragging him back to his camp. Another good deed. We're just finding them left and right out here, man. It's fun. Gotta give a shout out to the Stinger infotainment system. That thing's crystal clear. Sit here and keep an eye on him while he's back there on the rope. just been non-stop action all day. Sit in one spot, hang out for a little bit, roam around, end up finding somebody else, and it's really busy this time. I think this event is usually one of the bigger ones too, because weather-wise it's just cooling down. It's not like scorching hot out here. You guys know Florida gets really hot, but come October, you know, we're cooling down just a little bit, 70s, 80s. And they shut down another big park. They didn't shut it down, but they don't allow mega trucks out there anymore. I think Redneck Yacht Club or Redneck Mud Park. So a lot of those guys are coming here. You only get 2 or 3 big events a year, so it gets really packed when they host one. And we got another one. He was pulling on it, but it looked like it was about to roll it over. So we'll try and winch it real quick. We'll see. I don't want to get too much in it. There's just never good tow points on these things, man.
Well, I said, if you buy that.
Getting covered, dude. Alright, now they're working on this one. Got that one tied to that one. And I think that one's tied to that one. So let's see what happens. It was not connected. Forgot to put the pin in it. Oh man. Oh, I got it right in front of me. Back up, hit it again. Got that one being winched out. It's turning into a hot mess. Alright, well that's a wrap. I've got my share of recoveries. It's been a long day, and my fuel light just came on. So yeah, time to head back. If you guys made it this far all the way to the end, we appreciate you watching. We do this for free, and we've got a nationwide network of rescue groups on Facebook. Whatever your state name is, with 4x4 Rescue at the end. You can get on a group, you can help out. If you ever need help, you just post on there with info. But once a month we give away a power box. It's got a kinetic rope, soft shackle, shovel, tire gauge. It's a little over a $250 value. And the winner from last month is you. Congrats. Shoot me an email to claim the prize. And if you want to be entered for next month or any other time, just drop a comment on any of these videos. You got to be a U.S. resident. All the comments help the algorithm, helps grow the channel, and we definitely appreciate all the love. So drop a comment, you might win a kinetic rope kit, power box. I'll see you next week.